Hi there, gorgeous. Real quick, if you hear thunder and rain and all of that wonderful, great stuff in the background, we're in the middle of a storm right now, so I hope you will enjoy that aspect of the video. Great ambiance. Today I'm sharing 5 eyeshadow and lipstick pairing ideas with you. I wanted to make a video like this because I'm being asked a lot, not only recently, but in years past too, how do I pair my eyeshadow up with my lipstick? And it's really more or less trial and error. You have to figure out what works for you. But I wanted to share with you my top 5 favorite ways to pair up different colors with different lipsticks and maybe help inspire, give you some ideas for doing your own makeup looks. The first look I want to share with you is perhaps one of my most favorites, and that's why I'm going to start the video off with it. Teal eyes and a peachy nude lip. There is nothing better. I am convinced. It's one of my most favorite looks, and I get compliments on it wherever I go when I wear it. To create the look that I'm showing you here, I used the Wet n Wild Hosta La Costa Baby palette that I talked about in a video a couple months ago. I used the lid color on the lid, the crease color on the outer third of the lid, and the transition shade in the crease. I also took a little bit of that crease color and carried it up into the outer V. And for the lips, I paired it up with one of my most favorite nude peach shades, Maybelline's Blushing Beige. Another awesome combination to try is one that I got compliments on when I wore it in a video not too long ago too. Every single one of the looks I'm showing you here today have been worn in a video, so if you've been curious about looks that I've been wearing recently, you may spot one here. That is silver eyes paired up with pink lips. To recreate the look that I'm showing you here, I used L'Oreal's Silver Sky on the lid, and then I used a mixture of Nectar and Cool Gray from the Lorac Pro 2 palette mixed in the crease. And for the lips, I used MAC's Cream Cup lipstick, which is another one I don't pick up that often, but I love that shade of pink on my skin tone especially. The beauty of silver eyes is that you can pair it up with a number of different shades of pink. Light pink lips, medium pink lips, dark pink lips. It's completely up to you. It's a versatile look to have in your back pocket. The next combination I wanted to share with you is one that's rather striking. I don't wear it enough myself, but it is so pretty, and when I do wear it, I forget how much I love it. That is pairing up violet eyes with berry lips. To recreate the look that I'm showing you here, I used the Wet n Wild Petalette palette. I put the lid color on the lid, the transition color in the crease, and the crease color in the outer V. And the lips are Milani's Amore Matte Metallics in the shade Automatic Touch. And by the way, I will also have each of these combinations listed for you in great detail below with timestamps. So if you want to reference this video in the future, but you don't want to watch it all the way through necessarily, you can read the description box for those key points. Another combination you can try is one that is perfect for the upcoming fall months and one of my personal favorites. I can't wait to start wearing this one again. Copper eyes with wine lips. To recreate the look that I'm showing you here, I used the Huda Desert Dusk palette. I applied Blood Moon on the lid, Blazing in the crease, OUD in the outer crease, and the lips are Milani's Chilled Brandy lipstick. Still one of my favorite wine shades. Out of all of the wines that I own, that seems to be the one that I go back to every single fall season. I simply love it. And the final combination I have to share with you is taupe eyes paired up with violet lips. To recreate the look that I'm showing you here, I used one of the Tom Ford cream eyeshadows in the shade Platinum on the lid with MAC's Wedge applied in the crease, and the lips are Milani's Violet Volt. I'm not personally too fond of violet lips myself, so I don't wear them very often, but if you love purple lipstick and you're looking for a way to wear it, taupe eyes. You can also do very light violet eyes. Excellent way to go. Let me know your favorite eyeshadow and lipstick pairing combinations below. Would love to hear your choices as well. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch, and please subscribe so you don't miss out on any videos like this in the future. I look forward to seeing you again next time.